Monday was a big day for mortgage-related bank settlements in the United States. 10 banks agreed to pay regulators $8.5 billion to settle charges of foreclosure abuse. Bank of America was among them. In a separate deal, the lender also agreed to settle a dispute with Fannie Mae over home loans. Karina has more.
$10 billion. That's what Bank of America has agreed to pay to settle claims it misled Fannie Mae about the quality of the home loans it sold to the U.S. government-sponsored enterprise, or GSE, that bundles mortgages into securities. $3.6 billion of the settlement will be in cash. The remainder of the funds will be used to repurchase soured mortgage loans. The bank said it will take a pre-tax hit of $2.7 billion related to the settlement in its fourth quarter earnings. The mortgages in question originated with Countrywide, which Bank of America bought in 2008. It is seen as one of B of A's worst investments in recent years.
They've had immense costs related to real estate losses, settlements of lawsuits, legal fees. It's just been a nightmare for them, I believe.
The deal resolves the biggest piece of mortgage-related litigation facing the bank. In a statement, its CEO said, "Together, these agreements are a significant step in resolving our remaining legacy mortgage issues, further streamlining and simplifying the company and reducing expenses over time." Fannie Mae, which bought the mortgages from Bank of America, then resold them to investors as mortgage-backed securities, suffered immense losses after the housing market collapsed in 2008. Fannie Mae and its rival Freddie Mac were taken over by the U.S. government. They have cost taxpayers $137 billion to date. Despite the $10 billion settlement, Wall Street followers like author William Cohen believes the bank has gotten off easy.
I would like to see serious accountability, whether that's in the form of criminal cases where it's merited or serious civil cases that are in the public eye and that embarrass these individuals and cost them a lot of money for what they did. Yes, I think there needs to be serious accountability and serious responsibility.
Without that accountability, Cohen says, the behavior on Wall Street won't change. After the savings and loan crisis of the 1980s, more than 800 bankers were put into jail. Not one major banker has been incarcerated for his or her involvement in the financial crisis. Karina, CCTV, New York.